Okay.
Say the best things in life are free. Are we gonna do it?
Yeah, but this is, I'm just trying to tell Dan, this is where we're probably gonna vamp a long time, so wait until.
So don't do the chord changes?
Stay on the one chord, right?
Yeah, and so we'll wait until you see what we're.
And they just go through the changes one at a time.
We've all removed our clothes. We've all put our clothes back on.
They say the best things in life are free. You can go to the bars and be have that's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. Take it hard.
You say you love and give me such a thrill. How much you love me won't pay my bills. I want more. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. Baby.
Your love and give me such a thrill. But your love and don't pay my bills. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want.
Well, I think of some words later, but right now it's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want.
Baby, please don't go.
Here we go. I'm easy, man. Do it. Don't go. What? But you're in the sun. Can you get on the other side of the stage? Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. We don't go. Baby, please don't go down the road. We don't go. Down, get the way down here, baby, walk along, baby,